Even after 2 or 3 weeks of hard work in the shop, a good driver is still checking his car out, making little adjustments and changes right at the final minutes before his next race. And it pays off. This run, Jim Thompson sets a new national speed record for C-Gas in the modified eliminator category. But disaster strikes. On his second run to back it up, as every drag racer must do to establish a national record, something breaks in his transmission. On his way back to the pits, Jim learns he has only 25 minutes to fix his car, get it on the track, and back up the national record he's just set. There's no time to repair the broken transmission. Now it's a different kind of race, against the clock, and every split second counts. There are no wasted moments, no delays while decisions are pondered. The only hope is to replace the complete transmission. There is little or no talk. Both men know what has to be done. Both know a national speed record is on the line, and the clock is moving. They've done it. With only a few minutes left, he's on the line, ready to try a backup run. And there's only time for this one try. It's right now or not at all. Later, after it's over, and you're the holder of a new national speed record, it's a good feeling to hear the congratulations